A big hello to you all my dear kids. I Purnima welcome you to my English class and I'm going to continue with the same lesson which we were doing yesterday. In my previous video we were doing the same lesson. The name of the lesson is advertisement, as you can see. Now children, before starting and before continuing the rest of the lesson, let me revise within 1 or 2 minutes that what are the important points are there related with the lesson. So I already told you student what is an advertisement, what is the purpose for advertisement, what is how to make a draft of the advertisement. This all I have discussed with you. So once again within 2 minutes I am going to revise the important point related with advertisement. So what are advertisement, students? Advertisement is a very powerful medium. What is an advertisement? It is a very powerful medium. Okay, and it is deliberately used to influence the mind, taste. Children, see, I am telling three things: the mind, okay, the taste, and even motivates the masses. Masses means the crowds of people. So children, it influence what? It influence the mind. Children, many ads are there, and children, it make us smile also sometime. Okay, like I told you about Amul products. A very popular products of India is the Amul product, ghee, butter, ice creams, lot of things are there, milk. Okay, that means dairy products are there related with Amul butter. So children, nice catchy phrases are written there. Amul doodh pita hai India. Okay, then you can see a nice ad, even the according to the taste of children, that ad is there of Parle G. Okay, according to the ladies, taste of ladies, that what kind of washing powder they should use. So various ads of different type of washing powder or shampoos or soap. Okay, there are so many things in which we use in our daily life, like tea, coffee. Okay, so many things. So children, advertisement, it throws impact on the minds of the people according to the taste. Like children, I told you just now, I have mentioned about Parle G ad, which is loved by children. The children like to see the advertisement of Parle G, or the advertisement of Horlicks, or the advertisement of Bonvita. Okay, now children, it also motivates the minds of the people. Now children, many ladies, they are motivated, especially children related with electronic items or washing powder or shampoos. There are so many things that many people are motivated by seeing the ads, and they started thinking that next time when I will go to the market, I will purchase the same thing which is shown in the advertisement. All right, now the sources of advertisement. What are the medium or the ways to tell about the advertisement? So children, I was discussing about the medium which through which the various type of advertisement are influenced upon the people. So what are the various sources, or what are the various medium, so that it can influence the minds of the people? So we can, I told you, newspaper, magazine, television, even children, radio and cinema are the source of advertisement. Okay, and then children, today's lesson I will be telling you, I will be starting from classified advertisement. I told you in yesterday's video that there are two types of advertisement are there. As you can see student, one is classified advertisement and the other is general display ad. So there are two types of advertisement I have told you about. Okay, so I have already in my yesterday's video I have discussed so many points related with classified advertisement and general display advertisement. Children, in classified advertisement, what types of ads are there first of all? So children, you can see situation banquet, which we have discussed in yesterday video. Then situation wanted, this also we have seen in yesterday's video. Okay, today I will be dealing with these two advertisement related with lost and found and children, sales and purchase. I will be also discussing with you one more type of advertisement which is a part of classified advertisement, and that is career guidance and counseling. Okay, often you see that there are so many ads of coachings are there. Okay, GRS coaching. Okay, it gives 100, the student there gives 100% result. Maximum are selected in JEE or the IIT examination. Okay, so if this, how to write such type of advertisement, so that type of advertisement is related with career guidance and counseling, sales and purchase. Okay, if you wanted to purchase something, if you want to purchase a car or a flat or a television, okay, anything, so that will come under sales and purchase. Lost and found, suppose you are going in a bus and you have lost your bag, which is consisting your ATM card and lot of important papers were there. Okay, so then how you are going to write a notice? Or you have lost a bag where lot of your marks, you were going to for a interview and somewhere you have left your bag which was carrying your mark sheet, your degree, everything. So children, how you are going to write an ad for that? So that will come under the category of classified advertisement, and this part, okay, it will come under lost and found. So once again I revise that advertisement are divided into two parts. First is classified advertisement, there are two types of advertisement, and the other is general display advertisement. Okay, now children, we will be doing this part today. Okay, I've already done in my previous video the situation vacant and situation wanted. All right, in today's video we will be doing the three part, that is lost or found, career guidance and counseling, and sales and purchase. So I will be telling you about these advertisement in today's lecture. Now children, I will also like to tell, before beginning the advertisement, I will also like to revise the important feature, that how to draft an advertisement, what is a good way to draft a good advertisement. Okay, so children, first of all, we should always use a simple, brief and effective language which should be telling us about, which should be giving through that language. We should understand all the content, we should understand all the content, the all major information should there with us in a very brief manner in the advertisement. Okay, then children, it states facts only, nothing irrelevant thing, only you have to write the relevant things and the facts only. That is your advertisement should be to the point. Children, advertisement should not be lengthy or dull, because it has to attract the, what to say, the concentration of the people. The more people they will see your advertisement, the more success you are. Okay, nobody like to go through the dull and boring advertisement. Children, the advertisement should attract the eyes of the people. Children, I told you, when you will see on the way, you can say different type of letter are there. Sometimes children, people, the person who this give the advertisement, they try to make it maximum, they put the things in the advertisement so that it attracts the maximum minds of the people. Like children, sometime the Bollywood stars or the celebrity like sport star are also there in the advertisement. Okay, that, so then the people will, when they will go, then they will see the ad and they will be influenced by that advertisement. Children, the time, less word with lot of effects, catchy phrases in simple language, in brief, all the information should be there. Okay, the name of the advertiser and the advertised product should be given in bold and capital letters. Okay, I'm talking about children general display advertisement. So whatever the products are, suppose it is related with Amul butter, so that thing should be highlighted in bold letter, okay, and with effective language. Now children, classified advertisement you can see in the newspaper. Open the Sunday newspaper and you can see one whole page of classified advertisements are there in the newspaper of situation vacant, situation wanted, okay, and maximum word limit of this type of classified advertisement should be 50 words. Classy advertisement student, they are short and they are to the point. And why children they are short and to the point? Because each words, if you will write, you have to write it very carefully, because they are charged at the rate of per word or line. There is a charges for one word or for per one line, okay. And children, the most important thing, low blocks and design should be there in the classified advertisement. Language should be simple, factual and formal. The language of classified advertisement should be simple, formal and factual. That means all flags should be there, okay. So I have discussed with you children the advertisement in my previous video. I have discussed with situation vacant. I have also given few example of situation wanted, and today first I will be starting with the career guidance and counseling, okay. So how you have to write that advertisement of career guidance and counseling, okay. So children, I am going to read one advertisement related with career guidance and counseling classes, okay. So please hear the question very carefully, okay. This will come under the category of classified advertisement. So I'm going to read the question. Now, you have recently started a center for personality development. That means you have recently started a center for personality development for school children. So for whom you have opened the center for personality development? For school children. Draft an advertisement. Now you have to draft an advertisement to be published in a local daily. Now children, local daily, I told you, national daily and local daily. Local daily is the name of the newspaper which we use in a local manner, like Dainik Jagran, Hindustan, okay. Then national daily is the Times of India, the Pioneer, the Hindu, okay, the Hindustan Times. So these are some of the newspaper which will come under the category of national daily, okay. So children, giving all relevant details. Now children, so what is the question children? You have to draft an advertisement, and you have opened a school of personality development, and you have to children attract a large crowd so that they can join your school of personality development. And it is only for school children, it is not for adult or college going children, okay. So this is the question. Once again I read the question. You have recently started a center for personality development for school children. Draft an advertisement to be published in a local daily about it, giving all relevant details, right? So student, how you're going to start? Children, few things I have written, because then again you will be confused. So children, few common things I've written. First children, we have to draw a box. As soon as you have to draw the question of advertisement is there, so what you have to see, you have to draft. Whenever you draft an advertisement, first thing children, you can see I have drawn a square box or a rectangle box. You can see the outline, okay. Then children, you have to write the heading. Just like the notice, you have to write the heading. What is the heading I have written here? Center for Personality Development. That means as soon as anyone will see your advertisement, they will come to know immediately that what this advertisement is about. Okay, so children, Center for Personality Development. Children, the moment the people will see this heading of the advertisement, they will come to know automatically that there is going to be center for what, for personality development. And children, now how you are going to children, how you are going to start your this advertisement. So see the language and the wordings, how I have started it. Opened recently a center for personality development for school children. Okay, so children, how you are going to start? Opened recently a center for personality development for school children. And children, in that school, who are there? Okay, now that is very important thing. The people are paying a large amount of fees, so they want a good teachers, okay, who can teach them about personality development. So an experienced panel for expert, that means all the expert people are there in this panel. Professional means the professionals who are going to teach the personality development to the student. And psychologist. Children, psychologist is very important for such type of courses, because according to the taste, and children, there are many students to whom the teacher cannot tackle, so they counselor and the psychologist, they tackle that type of students. Many types of students they get in their coaching center. Okay, and they are, if they will see that why the child has paid a heavy amount of fees and then also he is not able to learn, so psychologists, they come and they counsel them. Okay, like many students have fear, they cannot speak. All right, so these psychologists, these counselors, they will come and they will help them to children to skip their fear. They will remove the fears from their mind, or they will increase the confidence level in the child. So for that purpose, psychologists are also needed here. Okay, so children, this much I have written. Then you can write what are the things they are going to teach. Overall personality development, children, what are the things they are going to teach? Nobody know. There are many things, children, related with personality development. Okay, like public speaking. One part of personality development is public speaking. Then children, group discussion, arts and craft. Okay, of course, good communication skill, that is very important. Your personality is developed when you can communicate in a very effective manner. Suppose if you are having a vast knowledge, you are having a lot of knowledge, and you have to go and to give the interview for some job. Children, if you are nervous there, you are not able to speak, then everything waste. Everything, children, goes down if you are not able to speak. So children, nowadays the people who are having such type of fear, they are joining the course of personality development. In that, group discussion, public speaking, communication, to how to develop the communication skill, everything is taught by the experts. Latest audio visual use, children. Nowadays the important source of learning is audio and visual. So they are special, they are showing that how a person speak, how the dialogue is spoken, how a influensive communication is done. Okay, a special concession for poor and meritorious school children. There will be concession also for poor student and meritorious school children. And then children, of course, at the end I told you, you have to write the contact number of the person who had advertised. So who is advertisement here? This is the director. You can write here, children, director. Okay, contact, colon, director, comma, and then you can write the phone number or the mobile number of the director. So in this manner, children, I have told about one children advertisement of the career guidance and counseling. There are many children you can see in the newspaper, like going to the French classes or yoga classes. Nowadays many classified advertisement are there related with the classes, okay, or the English coaching, mathematics coaching, yoga center, so many center, computer center, so many centers you can see nowadays. It is opening for the student because it is the demand of the age, okay. So now one more type of classified advertisement I will be doing with you today. So student, one more advertisement I will be telling you, which is related with lost and found, okay. Counseling, career and counseling I have told you just now. Situation vacant I have discussed with you. Situation wanted I have discussed with you. And now children, I will be telling you about lost and found. So I will be reading one notice, and I will be children, just hear me, that see how you will write that. First you hear children the question, and children, while hearing the question, you see that what are the important things, what are the main things are given in the question. There are many things which will be given in the question, okay. So I'm going to read one notice which is a classified advertisement, okay, and that is related with lost and found. Now you have lost your leather wallet, okay. You have lost your leather wallet. So children, this question I am reading. You have lost your leather wallet which was containing your examination entry ticket. Actually it is a children, it is the admit card, okay, for class 12th, okay. You have to appear for some examination and you are having that admit card in that wallet you have kept, and that wallet is lost while traveling by bus from Basankari to MG Road in Mangalore. So children, you are traveling from the by bus, you are traveling, okay, from Basankari to MG Road in Bangalore. And children, you have to write a advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Deccan Herald. And you are Pranav or Praveen, 12 Gandhi Road, Bangalore. So children, the address is given, okay, the address of the addressee is given. The children, the thing is also given that you have lost a wallet, okay. So children, what you will, how you will start, you will definitely children, like other advertisement, you have to draw a box. You will see I have drawn a box, and you can write lost wallet, okay. Okay, so you will start by writing the heading, and then children, you start directly in a simple language. I lost my leather wallet on 26 July while, okay. So now I'm going to, you have to start somewhat like this. In the very beginning children, you have to tell that what you have lost. In the very beginning only you have to tell this thing. So I lost my leather wallet on 26 July 2020 while, now I'm going to children tell you what else you are going to write. While traveling by the Karnataka State Roadways bus. While traveling by the Karnataka State Roadways bus from Banshankari to Amji Road, Bangalore. Now children, then you have to write, first thing you have to write that we have lost your wallet, and where you have lost while traveling from. You have lost your wallet by traveling from, children, this place is given here in the question, isn't it? Bansikhar to Bangalore, and you were traveling by bus. Okay, so straight away, children, you must have dropped your wallet either in the bus, or whether the bus have stopped or at the bus stop. So these are the chances where you must have dropped your wallet. The wallet contains my admit card and other important document. Okay, so what does the wallet contain? It contains the admit card and some other important documents. It is a black leather wallet with R printed on the top. So children, that wallet is a black color wallet with a R printed on the top of the front side. The finder will be suitably rewarded. Now children, the finder will be suitably rewarded. Please contact Pranav or Praveen. Now children, you have to write in a very, in a very relevant way the name of the person who has lost his wallet. So please contact Pranav or Praveen, 12 Gandhi Road, Bangalore. This is the address, it is given in the question also. So sometimes children, you don't have to think for address, it is already given. And then you have to write the mobile number of Praveen or Pranav. Okay, so that's all children. So this is the way we write the advertisement related with found. And if you have found something, then also you can write that while traveling I found the bag which consists of this and this thing. Whoever it is, please tell the details and take it back from me. So this is the right way to write a advertisement related with if you have found something. Now children, then there is a, I told you business proposals are there. Like I told you in yesterday videos, I told you one thing about to let. That means if you wanted to have a flat, or if you wanted to have a shop, okay, then that type of advertisement is also there. Of course children, one matrimonial advertisements is also there. Okay, in which the marriage of a boy or a girl is advertisement, that what type of boy you want, or what type of person you are a highly educated person, what is your height, what is your weight, what is your complexion, what type of hair you are having, everything you will write. Okay, and if any defect, I mean if you are a disabled person, you have to write about that also, and what type of bride you are preferring. Okay, and vice versa, if a girl is there, what type of children boy that bride is preferring. Okay, so now there this matrimonial will also come in the classified children advertisement. Okay, so children, one advertisement I will be telling you that if some sale, if you wanted to sell something, if you wanted to children sell or purchase something, then how you write an advertisement. This is also a very important. Like children, if you wanted to purchase a washing machine, so which type of washing machine you will be preferring to have, what should be the future. Okay, or if you wanted to buy sell your washing machine, then you have to write the detail also, that which model you are having and at what price you will be selling it. Okay, so this is something about what to tell children, advertisement related with classified advertisement. Then children, one important thing is classified advertisement is also children one thing which I did not mention is that classified advertisement is also related with uh, business proposals. That means you are the director of Gorkha Guards and you are having an agency of providing security service to business establishment and institution. So how you are going to draft a advertisement? So children, you have to draw, you have to write that we specializes in Gorkha in guarding residential and business establishment. That means they are expert in guarding the residential area or the business establishment. Okay, we also provide professional service to school, professional institution, hospitals and hotels, mines and mill. These are the places where we can send our security guard for. Okay, that means they can go to a hospital for guarding, for in a hotel, in a school, in an institution. Okay, there are many places. We are disciplined, well trained and high professional Gorkha guards for high specialized consultees or our professional service. And then children, you have to write the contact. Okay, contact you can write Gorkha guards, house number, place. Okay, and then children, finally you have to write the mobile number. So with this children, today I have completed classified type of advertisement. In my next video I will be telling you children the other type of general display advertisement. That would be more interesting. Okay, so with this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.